They say the first step to success is showing up. Well, I've shown up. 56 videos uploaded, countless hours of coding. And the result? 28 subscribers.
4 hours ago, 0 views. A ghost town. 1 day ago, 2 views. Probably just me checking the upload. 2 days ago, 3 views. 3 days ago, 9 views. Even after 11 days, we're struggling at 20 views. And the big winners? 2 weeks in and we have 73 views, 25 views, and a lonely 15 views.
It's the grind. It's slow, it's quiet.
But what if we could break the simulation? What if we could flip the switch and make the internet think we are the biggest creators on the planet?
Welcome to the alternate reality. Look at the header now. 2.8 million subscribers. Now, let's look at the uploads. That video from 4 hours ago, it's sitting at 2.9 million views. The one from yesterday, 3.2 million. But we didn't stop there. Look at the 3-day mark, 9.7 billion views. That's more than the population of Earth. 11 days ago, 20 million. 2 weeks ago, 73 million. And then the record breakers, 25 billion views, 15 billion views. In this reality, Reza is the king of YouTube. How is this possible? Is it a hack? Is it a virus? No, it's much simpler. It's called DOM manipulation, and every web developer uses it every single day. Let's go to the process. Step 1. We target the element. I right-click the view count and select Inspect. This opens the Chrome Developer Tools, the engine room of the internet. Step 2. We find the code. Within these lines of HTML, there is a simple string of text holding that 0 or 15. Step 3. We rewrite history. I double-click the text, delete the reality, and type in the dream, 15 billion. Hit Enter. And just like that, the browser renders exactly what I told it to. To the eyes of the viewer, the page has changed. The reality has shifted. But here is the lesson for every aspiring developer and creator. This change is local. It lives in your browser's memory, not on YouTube's database. Watch what happens when I hit refresh. The magic is gone. Back to 28 subscribers. Back to 0 views. Why? Because the server doesn't care about your edits. It only cares about the truth. Using Inspect Element is a fun way to prank your friends or see how a website would look with different text. It's a powerful tool for building sites, but a terrible tool for building a life. Don't be fooled by the billions you see on social media screenshots. Most of it is just DOM manipulation. The real win isn't the 15 billion fake views. It's the 15 real people who chose to spend their time watching your work. I'm Reza. I'm building my dream, one real view at a time. If you want to learn the truth about web development and the journey of a creator, hit that subscribe button. Let's make the numbers real. See you in the next one.